Have you ever wondered how something so small can pack such a mighty punch? Meet sprouts, nature's tiny superfoods that have been fueling health-conscious diets for centuries. But what makes these little seeds of life so special? Stay tuned to Kitchen Hospital, and we'll show you why sprouts could be the missing piece in your health puzzle. Sprouts are considered nutritional powerhouses, offering a myriad of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Here's the magic of sprouts and why they should be a staple in your diet. 1. Packed with nutrients. Sprouts, like mung beans, alfalfa, and chickpeas, are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate. During sprouting, the nutrient content increases significantly, making them highly bioavailable for the body. 2. Digestive health. Sprouts are loaded with dietary fiber and enzymes, aiding digestion and improving gut health. The sprouting process breaks down complex starches, making them easier to digest compared to regular grains or legumes. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Sprouts are a great source of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support healthy aging by protecting your cells from free radical damage. 4. High in protein. Sprouts, especially lentil or soybean sprouts, are excellent plant-based protein sources. They are perfect for vegetarians or anyone looking to build muscle and stay energized. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Sprouts have a low glycemic index and help stabilize blood sugar levels. They are particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 6. Supports weight loss. Low in calories but high in fiber, sprouts keep you feeling full for longer. They help curb hunger and prevent overeating, making them an ideal addition to a weight loss diet. 7. Improves heart health. Rich in potassium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, sprouts help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and support overall cardiovascular health. 8. Detoxifies the body. The chlorophyll in green sprouts like alfalfa aids in detoxifying the body by improving liver function and flushing out toxins. How to use sprouts in your diet. 1. Salads. Add sprouts to fresh greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes for a crunchy, nutrient-packed salad. 2. Smoothies. Blend sprouts like alfalfa or broccoli with fruits and greens for a detoxifying drink. 3. Stir-fries. Lightly sauté sprouts with vegetables and seasonings for a quick meal. 4. Toppings. Use sprouts as toppings for soups, sandwiches, or wraps. Must-know tips. Hygiene. Sprouts can harbor bacteria if not handled properly. Always wash them thoroughly. Storage. Keep them refrigerated and consume within a few days. Variety. Mix different types like mung bean, lentil, and chickpea sprouts for diverse benefits. Busting common myths. Myth: sprouts are hard to digest. Truth: proper soaking and sprouting make them easier to digest than seeds. Myth: sprouts can replace entire meals. Truth: they are complementary and should be part of a balanced diet. Sprouts are more than just a food, they're a lifestyle upgrade. From boosting your immunity to improving your skin and hair, these tiny superfoods offer a world of benefits. Ready to embrace the magic of sprouts? Start adding them to your meals today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more exciting health tips. See you in the next video.